What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. By the time this video drops, it's gonna be 12 days to Christmas. So I've decided that I'm gonna do my 12 favorite winter lipstick shades video. And guess what? I recorded 35 minutes of video clip and I did not turn on the mic. So if you haven't noticed by now, I'm doing a voice over. There is no sound on the video, and this video is not an easy video to redo, only because this video take a lot of wiping off and sore my lips, so I had to put up this video. So it's me showing you the my 12 favorite winter lipstick shade. So guys, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so you can become a member of this family, and don't forget to turn your notification bells on, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And I hope you guys are enjoying this festive season. Well, you know people stick to vampy colors and nude at this time of the year, but regardless of the time of the year, I love a red lipstick. I love a good red lipstick. I must have at least a dozen red lipstick. And don't let anyone tell you can't wear red lipstick or any color you want to wear, regardless of your complexion. Let you be the one to look in the mirror and decide, like, this lipstick don't look good on me. But you don't let anyone tell you can't rock certain color because you're a certain complexion. Started with red because I was already wearing red, and probably that wasn't a good idea because it left a little coat of red on my lips throughout the whole video. And guys, my lips were sore at the end of this video. So this red that I'm wearing is a limited edition from MAC, and it's the Betty Boop. So MAC don't have that anymore. I don't know where you can find it, but it's called Betty Boop, and most of my lipsticks, you'll notice, they're from MAC. So since you've seen this one, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off my lips right now and get started with the other colors. I think right here I was letting you guys know that my favorite red lipstick is from MAC, and it's the Riri Woo from MAC, but I don't think they carry that anymore. It was just a limited edition. But also from Fenty Beauty, that uncensored lip paint is the bomb. It's a really good red lipstick, and it just go on and it won't budge. MAC lipsticks are a little more spendier than drugstore lipsticks, so the cheapest lipstick you can get at MAC, I think it's like $17 unless you get a sale, but I think the lipstick prices starts at like $17. So this is a Fenty Beauty Uncensored that I was telling you about. It's a really good lip paint. It's not a lipstick, it's more of a lip gloss, not gloss but glass, and it's matte, but it's a really good one. As a disclaimer, I'm not advertising for any company in particular, so if you can get cheaper lipstick that are good quality, go ahead and get cheaper lipstick. I know BH Cosmetic and ColourPop Cosmetic have really good quality lipstick for a lower price. So I guess finally I'm just getting my wipes ready. I'm not sure what I was going on about, but I'm getting my wipes ready now to actually start. I know I said previously that I was starting, but I guess I'm just starting. Something to be aware of about these MAC matte lipsticks, they really stain. They stain the lips a little, not for clothes or so on, but for the lips, they kind of stain the lips coming off. So this one is Heroin by MAC, and it's not limited edition, so you probably can get it still, and I've had this for a while. It's a great lipstick, feels good, goes on good, stays all day. So this is it, and here I was just kind of telling you guys about the lipstick. Don't remember what I was saying. This video was filled with information, but I can't remember everything I said because I don't write things down. And as I'm doing my voice over and watching, I think I was telling you guys how much I love this and how much I used it, and showing you how much use this got. It's almost done. So this next one again is by MAC, and it's called Matte Royal, and it is a darker purple, just darker than the shade that I just tried. This one is kind of like a bluish purple, and it's great for this time of the year, but also any one of these lipsticks can be worn any time of the year. But it goes on nice and creamy. It stays all day. That's a good thing. If you're buying MAC lipstick, you know you're getting quality, because I've never bought a MAC lipstick that I really didn't like. And guys, can you tell how sword my lips are already? And I am not even halfway as yet. I couldn't let this video go to waste. I had to post this video by the hook or by the crook. So this one again is from MAC, and it's a satin. It's not matte, it's satin, and it's called Cyber 833 Cyber. So a satin finish lipstick is gonna finish a little more glossier, not glossy as in lip gloss, but it's gonna be a little more shinier than the matte. The matte is just gonna look like it's just there and there's nothing to it, but the satin is gonna have like a silky finish, if that makes sense, and it will feel more conditioning to your lips. You could say that could be the upside of it, but the downside of it is that it's not gonna stay as long in place, especially if you eat and drink throughout the day. It's not gonna stay as long as the matte would stay. The satin finish will kind of move away or shift on your lips more than the matte will. The matte, once you put it on and it's dried, it's not going anywhere. So this one that I'm about to put on is one of my favorite lipsticks of all time, and it has made it to so many videos. Most of my videos I'm wearing this, and it's called Giambattista Valley. It's limited edition from MAC, so they won't have it anymore, but it's one of my favorite, and it's a burgundy. So Giambattista had 4 shades with this collaboration with MAC. So I have to tell you, this one that I'm using, it's Eugene. I got 2 of the 4 shades, but Eugene was my favorite. And can you tell how much I love it? Look at me just talking about that lipstick. I have no idea what I was saying. Maybe it's a good thing that the voice didn't record, because I don't know what I was saying. I was just going on about that lipstick because I really do love that lipstick. And if you can see how it rich, you notice when I did my bottom lip, I didn't even have to do the top. Okay, so this next one is called Midnight Troll, and it's also by MAC. Again, it's a limited edition. At one point I was just on a roll buying limited edition. I like limited edition things, to be honest with you, whether it's makeup or clothes or shoes. I like limited edition. So this is Midnight Troll by MAC. They don't have it no more, but it's from MAC. So this one is a lavenderish, purplish, bluish, and tell me that don't look good on my skin. And I can see it looking better on a darker complexion as well, and on a lighter complexion. So this is one that will suit all complexion. This is beautiful. Guess it's a good thing I did my makeup natural, so all the shades kind of blend in. I don't even know what I was going on about right here, but I'm pretty sure I was just encouraging you guys to rock your bright lipstick. Don't let anybody tell you you can't wear bright lipstick. I know I said it already, and I'm gonna say it again and again. Rock what you feel like rocking. Have the confidence enough to put anything on. So this next one is maybe one of my favorite lipsticks, but definitely my most expensive lipstick. And I will not even say how much I pay for this lipstick, but it is a nice lipstick. I cannot say a lipstick is worth that price, to be honest with you, but I have no fault with it. I find no fault at all with this. It goes on like butter. It stays on and it feels good on your lips all day. I will not recommend anyone buying this lipstick, but I'm telling you, it's a great lipstick if you wanna splurge. Go ahead and buy it. It's a Louboutin lipstick, and it's 410M. I guess that's the color, because the color is not written on it. But what I like most about it is the package. Listen, if you're gonna invent something for consumers, guys, make sure your package is on point. Yes, your product needs to be good, but your package is what sells your product. Trust me, especially to women, packages sells. Now be honest with yourselves. Tell me if this lipstick is not on point. Tell me if it doesn't look good on me. And look how easy it slides on, just like butter. It's a really good lipstick, I'm telling you guys. But it better be. Now this other one that I'm gonna put on, it's from Fenty Beauty and it's called Griselda, and it's in a mini package, like one of those travel size. But you know, lipstick, all size lipsticks are travel size, but I feel like this is like a good buy. That's how I'm gonna start by my lipstick. If they have mini lipsticks, that's what I'm gonna buy, because I feel like a mini lipstick can serve you forever unless you're using the one lipstick every day. But this Griselda is really nice, and it does kind of look like the Louboutin that I just took off, but it's really nice. All of Rihanna's lipsticks are really nice. They go on like butter. They feel good. Actually, they feel more expensive than they are. They're $18, but they feel like $100 lipstick. Trust me. I have to come back and correct my statement. Like, this mini one was not $18. I think I got 2 of these in a package for like $18, or 3 in a package. I don't remember. I've had these for a while. It's been a while since I've bought lipstick, any lipstick at all. I've had lipsticks, all my lipsticks, for a good while now, so I don't remember the price of these. But the big one, the full size one, is $18. The mini size, I don't know how much they cost. So I guess I was going on here about how much I really love Fenty Beauty, and I really do. I feel like you get good quality product for a fraction of the price that it can be for. So I really like Fenty Beauty, and this one here is called PMS, and it's kind of like a neutral brown, and it's just great for my complexion and great for all dark skin girl. Even if you're a little darker than I am, try PMS. So yes, this is like a clay brown, like a reddish brown, or a burgundish brown, you may say. But as you can see, it's more, it looks like burgundy on camera, but it's really more brown than burgundy. And maybe the burgundy that is showing off is from the other colors that's on my lips, but it's more brown than burgundy, just so you know. And this is a really good comfortable color for the girls who like to play it safe. If you're afraid of color, this PMS is a really good color, and again, it's from Fenty Beauty. And you know what I just realized watching this video? Most of the colors look alike on camera, but none of them are alike. They're close. Some of them are close enough, but none are alike. So this next one is again from MAC, and again, this I've gotten a lot of wear, and it's called Smoked Purple, and it's just what it said. It's kind of like a purple, but it's smoky. So it's kind of like a burgundish purple, like a dark vampy purple. It's really nice. So as you can tell, I've got a lot of purples. I've picked out a lot of purples, and as a matter of fact, I thought I picked out a couple of nudes, but usually what I do to get the perfect nude is mix it. I do not own the perfect nude lipstick. I always have to mix them with either a pencil or a lip gloss, or 2 or 3 lipsticks, or sometimes I use like one of these vampy lipsticks to mix with a nude. I do not own the perfect nude. I'm still looking for the perfect nude lipstick. And keep in mind, when I say the perfect nude, I mean the perfect nude for me, not for everybody, for me, because believe it or not, nude is probably a harder shade to rock, because every dark complexion girl have their own nude that, you know, suit their complexion, and I've never just found the one that fit me. The deeper ones make me look mute, let me look like I don't have any lips, and the lighter ones let me look like I'm hungry. You know, when you have white squall, that white on your lip. So nude lipstick is one that you have to like perfect, and I just haven't perfected it as yet, because honestly, I really prefer wearing bright colors, like vampy colors, red lipstick. I prefer wearing bright colors, whether you know it or not, or whether you believe it or not. This one here is from MAC again, and it's the MAC and Aaliyah collection. Yes, I know Aaliyah is dead, but less than a year ago they came out with an Aaliyah collection, and believe me, this is the last time I bought lipstick. This was my most recent lipstick. Whenever long this came out, that's when I bought that, and it's called Street Things, and it's kind of like a frost lipstick. It's a black frost, so it's for the girl who want to wear black but don't want to look that vampy. It gives you a bluish black look, but it's black, and it has little flecks in it, like little sparkles in it. It was even hard to wipe off my lips. Now this next one is from Fenty, and I really love this one. I know I've been saying I love them. That just goes to say I love my lipsticks. But this one is called Clapback from Fenty, and it's a navy blue in color. Navy blue, it may come off a little purple, but it's all navy blue and it suits me very well. I really like it. Every time I wear this, I get a lot of compliment. I went to Jamaica. Last time I went to Jamaica, I wore this and so many people complimented me, and a girl stopped me and I was talking to her. She was talking to me about it and she was like, I couldn't pull that off. I don't know, you're so brave, you know. But this is a really nice lipstick. Again, this one is for the girl that wants to wear black but don't want to look real gothic. This is a great one. It's close to black. It's dark enough that it could pass for black, but it doesn't look black and it doesn't give you that goth look. It just gives you like a nice dark lip. Very nice, very beautiful, soft, slide on. It's from Fenty Beauty again, and you know how I feel about that. Next one is also from MAC, and if you could hear the video, you would hear me saying I don't remember where I got it, because it's not the usual MAC case, but it is from MAC. Now that I'm looking at it right now, and it's a Padma and it's from MAC, so it must have been a collaboration, and it's called Sumac, S-U-M-A-C. So Sumac, and it's a matte lipstick and it feels really good. I knew it was a high quality when I tried it on, but I just don't remember getting this from MAC. I thought I got it from like Nordstrom or somewhere, but I guess it's from MAC. So this is how I'm going to explain this color. This color is, if purple and burgundy was to have a child, this is the color that it would breed. This is a beautiful color. It's just, I feel like it is showing purple and burgundy both at the same time. Is that even possible? I guess this is the end of the video, and as you can tell, look at my mouth is a hot mess, and just as a hot mess as it looks, that's how it feels. My lips feels like they're burning me, just to say. And I hope I got 12. I don't know, I took out 12 and put in a basket, so I'm pretty sure it's 12 I did. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I've wiped my lips a lot, and if you're a person that is afraid to wear color, I hope this inspires you. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Enjoy the festive season, and I'll see you in my next upload. Mwah, mwah, mwah.